Put them on these. Go to the park. Say, where do you put them on?
This is our new Dare channel.
Come on. She has to say, where do you put them on?
I got you. I can't show the dude's face. So I just gotta get your feet. Get it? Yeah. Hey. Hey. Turn up. Turn up. Yeah. What did y'all do? Yes, Emma. Dress code.
Oh, I don't care.
I can hide. Don't move that. You ready to do this? Guys, we need to go find a stick outside and say, it's a stick up. And hold the stick up. Yes. It's a really good prank. I think you're ready, my child. Oh wait, no, you don't have a mom. I'm sorry. Just settle behind me.
It's hard waiting in this line.
I know, it's so hard waiting in line. So hard. Guys, this is the last prank that we can do. Guys, this is the last prank that we can do. We're almost late for school. Well, we're not late, but like.
Where do you put the mommy?
The mommy? I don't know what you're trying to say.
Yeah.
Mom. Like, where do you put the mom?
Where you put the mom? That makes no sense.
Angelina came up with the worst thing ever.
I have a pencil for you right now.
Where do you
put the mom? I lost mine.
Alright, okay, here. So you ask.
You have to ask for
How far
soda.
can this be shoved up an ass?
No, I'm going to do the soda thing.
free soda.
I can charge you double for it.
Okay. Okay, what's in there?
Cool too.
Something that's bad.
No, but now I want some soda.
You have to say I'm better than you.
I'm going to go
No,
say,
no.
do you think I have a chance?
Yes. Yes. And then Emma, you're gonna be like, I'm Kim Kardashian, and I like Buddhism.
No.
Buddhism. Yes.
I get the bird over here on too.
Guys, we gotta go.
Do you think I'll be able to say it?
Yes. She's amazing. I want to be like that eye, guys. Like, this is my dream to be like that.
Oh my god.
That is my life. Emma, Buddhism is my life. Because look at that booty.
So we have to go up to
That
someone
booty though.
and say, Kim Kardashian is my role model.
Kim Kardashian is my mom. Miley Cyrus is my hoe. And
Walking around with the adult diapers.
I know I've seen it.
One of these are mine.
You guys gotta say, Miley Cyrus is my hero. Kim Kardashian is my wife. And my waifu.
Yeah, you should go
is
in.
my role model and then twerk.
So you
Because of Miley Cyrus.
yeah, go and do it.
I got a wall twerk though. It's like the best. I got my role model.
Miley Cyrus is my role model.
Twerk.
Okay, right? You know, they're bad. They are. Just go to some random person.
To him.
Oh no. Oh no, that's looking and stuff. Go up to the. Go to her. Go to her.
They won't.
Right here.
Senpai won't answer me.
Go right here. Oh wait. She looks busy.
No, I got this.
Okay.
Will Senpai ever notice me?
And then twerk.
I gotta get a magazine.
Go.
You're so kind.
Yes, Senpai will never.
Okay. Okay. Oh, we're in this.
You're in the way of the old lady.
We're in the way for everyone, guys.
I want soda, but you said you only charged me double.
One more prank. Zoe has to do it.
No, but I want soda.
Then do the thing. If you don't have free soda, you'll die of a disease.
I'll die of diseases.
No, you have to go up to him.
I'll die of a disease.
Say if you don't get free soda, you'll die of a disease.
He said he charged me double.
Just say you die of disease. Go on. Go on, Zoe. Zoe, it's your dare. You did none of
I
them.
did it. I said
You have to go up to him.
it. Double.
You have to say that you'll die
But
of a
I'll
disease.
die of a disease.
But you have to
Soda lackage syndrome. Soda lackage.
just go up to someone. Ready?
Okay, we got that.
You got this, Zoe. You got this, Zobo. Zoho. Zomo. Solo. Kabobo. All you have to say is if I don't have free soda.
Let's go, Maui.
Zoe, all you have to say is if I don't have free soda, I'll die of lack of soda syndrome.
Lack of sodas. ISIS.
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 Or you got this, Zoe. You got this, Zoe. La la da da.
Go, Zoe. Go, Zoe. Go, Zoe. Go, Zoe. Go, Zoe. Go.
Okay, Zoe, it's all up to you now. Well, this person is right now for a second. You have to say the thing. I'm sorry. Okay, bye.
The lackage is the soda disease. It's soda lackage syndrome.
Okay, now we have to do an outro. Ready, guys? Say bye.
Bye.
See you next time on Dares or Dares.